Here I've got HUAWEI Nova Young, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will open IMEI number through the secret code. You have to click on phone dialer at first and then enter a secret code, which is *#, 06 pound. And as you can see, IMEI number just popped up, so here it is. Whenever you need to see what your IMEI number is, smoothly enter this short code and then you will be able to check what your IMEI number is. And now we will open also IMEI number but also serial number through the settings. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. And now scroll down a bit. And here you will notice IMEI number right here, and under status you can also check serial number right here. So this is it, so you can smoothly and easily check both IMEI and serial number in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.